Chapter 22 One Word Substitution. One word can often express the idea of a phrase or a clause and can help in writing or communicating precisely. Given below are some phrases with their substitution. Man who does something as a hobby, a mature, a life story by the person himself, autobiography, signature in a person's own handwriting, autograph, an assembly of people who listen when somebody speaks or performs, audience, an event recurring yearly, annual, the act of freeing a person from a charge by the verdict, acquittal, make oneself familiar with a person or a thing, acquaint, a van which is used for transporting wounded or serious patients, ambulance, the state between boyhood and youth, adolescence, an act of pardoning persons in general, amnesty, one which can live both in water and on land alike, amphibian, one who devotes his whole time to studies, bookworm, one who can't pay off his debts, bankrupt, an instrument measuring atmospheric pressure, barometer, 100 years, century, a descriptive list of books or articles arranged according to subject, catalogue, space of 100 years reckoned from any point in a century, centenary, feeding on flesh, carnivorous, a man who readily believes someone, credulous, a disease communicable by contact, contagious, that which can be cured, curable, one who audits or checks the accounts, auditor, an animal having 2 feet, bibed, that which can be easily broken, brittle, government by officials, bureaucracy, life story of a person, biography, words inscribed on a tomb, epitaph, verse in form of a letter, epistle, set manners of conduct, etiquette, things without which we cannot do, essentials, a too wicked and cruel man, find, made to be absent for a long time from one's own country, exile, a guide post pointing out the way to a place, finger post, falsification of documents, forgery, killing of one's own brother, fratricide, an irregular luminous group of stars, galaxy, the shed for a motor car, garage, medicine having power to destroy germs, germicide, without any payment, gratis, a person who eats too much, glutton, full moon about autumnal equinox, earnest moon, vehicle to carry dead bodies, hairs, one who works on right time, punctual, a canvas bag to hold bedding, hold all, that which cannot be moved, immovable, that which cannot be believed, incredible, that which cannot be described, indescribable, that which cannot be put into practice, impracticable, where neither water nor vegetation is found, desert, a citizen of the world, cosmopolitan, to exclude a person from admission or a right, debar, government of the people, for the people and by the people, democracy, one who can't hear, deaf, a letter returned unclaimed, dead letter, that which can be digested, digestible, one who can't speak, dumb, one who edits a newspaper, magazine, film, etc., editor, food that is fit to be eaten, eatable or edible, one who is fit for a post or something, eligible, disease prevalent among community at a special time, epidemic, that which cannot be seen, invisible, a person without any knowledge, ignorant, that which catches fire easily, inflammable, false sensual representation, illusion, killing of an infant, infanticide, something carried on within door or under cover, indoor, not limited by persons or number, infinite, that which kills insects, insecticide, a person where prisoners are kept, jail, prison, anything which relates to the young and youth, juvenile. Let's recapitulate. A single word, at times, expresses the idea of a phrase or a clause and can help us in writing or communicating precisely, thus sparing us from using a number of words for the same idea. Below are some examples. A man doing something because of a hobby, a mature, a life story of a person written by himself, autobiography, a man's signature in his own writing, autograph, an event recurring yearly, annual, a van used to carry patients, ambulance, the act of pardoning persons in general, amnesty, the animal who can live both on land as well as in water, amphibian, one who devotes his whole time to study, bookworm, someone who can't pay his debts, bankrupt, 100 years, century, those who feed themselves on flesh, carnivorous, life story of a person, biography.